Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is Preet BIRANG. Welcome to my channel. So today I have come up with again a hairstyling video. I will be sharing two bun hairstyle with you guys with which anyone can pull off. These are super quick and super easy bun hairstyle which I love doing when I'm running late, and also Lodi is coming, so I think you guys can easily pull up these hairstyle when you're wearing any Indian outfits. So yeah, without wasting the time, let's get into the video and let me show you guys how I created these amazing super easy bun hairstyles. Also, those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I always upload makeup related, hairstyling and skincare related videos on my channel, so make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get into the video and let me show you guys how I created these hairstyles. So I'm going to be starting off by middle parting my hair. Now this is an optional step. If you want, you guys can do a side parting, but I prefer middle parting with this bun. So I'm going to be middle parting my hair, and then I'm going to be combing my hair nicely so that there are no tangles. And I will make sure that this middle parting is very sleek because I love doing a sleek bun. So once that is done, I'm going to be gathering all my hair towards the back of my head, and I will be creating a very low ponytail, and I will be securing that low ponytail using a rubber band, and I'm going to be using a black color rubber band so that it gets hide out within my hair and looks similar to my hair. Once the ponytail is made, I'm going to be parting my hair into three different sections, and then I'm going to be creating a very basic braid which we create, jise hum choti bhi bolte hain. Then I'm going to be doing that, and then at the end I will be securing that braid using a very small black color rubber band. Once that is done, I'm going to be pulling off few hair from that braid so that it can add little volume to my braid. And then after that I will be creating a bun at the back of my head, and then using a rubber band I will be securing that bun first ताकि बाल मेरे निकल नहीं पाए उस बन से, and because I have a short hair. Once that is done, if just in case you guys see that few other hairs are falling out and you want to make it little neat and clean, I'm going to be using a U-pin. You can use bobby pins as well to secure the hair and make my look bun neat and clean. So that's my first hairstyle, guys. Super quick, super easy. I love doing this bun even on my western outfits, and the middle parting bun is like my go-to hairstyle. I just love doing that, and it looks amazing in saris as well and all the Indian outfits. So highly recommended to each one of you to try this out. I think anyone in the world can pull off this hairstyle. Now let's move on to the second hairstyle, which is again a bun hairstyle. I'm going to be starting off with side partitioning my hair. Now again, this is an optional step. If you guys want, you can do a middle parting, but I prefer doing a side parting with this bun. Now once that is done, I'm going to be combing my hair so that there are no tangles, and I'm going to be leaving few section of my hairs at the front of my head. Usually I take hairs at the front of my ear and then leave them on my face, and moving forward to the back of my hair, I will first of all comb them nicely so that there are no tangles, and then I'm going to be making a very low ponytail using a black rubber band. I will be securing it. Now I'm going to loosening my rubber band a little bit, and then I'm going to be creating a little hole in between that ponytail, and I'll take entire my ponytail, I will put that into the hole, and now this will create a little U or a V shape hairstyle to the ponytail which I did. And then same thing I'm going to be doing with the front hair which I left on my face. I'm going to be pulling those two hairs at the back of my head, and then using a very small rubber band I will be creating the same thing, and then taking all my hair again, all my ponytail, and then I'm going to be again putting that into a hole. I will be keep repeating that step until I don't see a bun is created. Now since my hair are a little short, I do see that there are some hair falling, so that's completely okay. I'm going to be using a U-shaped pin to secure those hair and make my bun look neat and clean. And you can use as many as U-pins or bobby pins which you want to secure your hair. Now that's it, you guys. Do you see how beautiful this hairstyle looks? I absolutely love how quick is this hairstyle, and again I'm going to be saying anyone in the world can pull off this hairstyle. So that was all about today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this hairstyling video. I'm going to be catching you guys super soon with a brand new video, but make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.